So FX, there's the other thing about it is two-way flow, right? So you can buy euro, sell euros, you can buy pound and sell pound every day, and then you've got two opposing fight.
Yeah.
With gold, you're either buying gold or you're selling gold. That's two variables. With stocks, you're either buying Apple or selling Apple. Two variables. So there's four variables in FX markets. There's two variables in most other markets. So I find that hard as well. Lastly, I'm just going to throw this in there. If a currency gets too strong, it affects somebody negatively. If a commodity gets too strong, it affects somebody negatively. That doesn't happen with a stock.
Yeah.
A stock, everybody's happy if they go up to the moon, right? Everybody's making money, right? But if the pound goes up too much, then nobody's going to be able to buy our exports. If oil goes up too much, we can't afford to put petrol in our cars. So there's an economic impact to this for currencies and commodities that there isn't in stock.
I love that. So it's really understanding volatility is a huge part of it in terms of, where you can get edge, because you're not trying to. I think a lot of people look at, say, for example, the average pip move on euro. Let's say if it's 70, 80 pips, right? A lot of people are like, I need to get that 70, 80 pips. Right. Versus, as you mentioned earlier, let's say with stocks, if a stock moves on average $3 in a day, for you're just trying to see if you can capture $1 of that, $1.20 of that maybe. So by knowing that you have larger ranges on certain assets, it allows you then to have a lot more comfortability of what you're trying to capture. How large is the slice you're trying to capture?
Yeah, correct. And we measure this all of the time. I say to a lot of my traders, for the average range of a candle, of a daily candle, don't trade in the top 25% or the bottom 25%. You want to be trading in the middle portion of that candle, because if we do get to extremes,
and that's that auction area, right?
You're going to make a lot of money.
Yeah.
So that's the point.